Today I will teach you how to clean your Beppy Cup.
Find a clean toilet to remove your menstrual cup. Pour the blood inside of the toilet. As you can see, the Beppy Cup has a flap, so what you do is squeeze the cup a little bit so the blood comes out of the holes. If your cup still has trace of blood, what you do is just clean it with a little bit of clean water and a little bit of our pH neutral Beppy Soapy. Do it inside and outside and scrub it a little bit with your fingers. Don't forget to clean your cup inside of the flap and also the little holes. You can do this by adding a little bit of water inside and pressing the cup. You can use the water as a lubricant or you can dry it up. So there you go, you have a clean cup. And here are some extra tips about the Beppy Cup that you probably didn't know. Here's how to empty your Beppy Cup easily. With one finger, pull the flap upwards and press it with the rim of the cup to create a funnel. Then empty your cup. Rinse your cup with a little bit of clean water and remember that the Beppy Cup is so soft that you can turn it inside out to clean it also. Roll it into its original shape and there you go, you have a clean cup.